Hi there, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I wish you all the best. Let me begin with a question. Do you believe that you have infinite mind space, or do you think the mind space is limited? What do you think? What comes to your mind when you think of mind space? Now, have you come across situations where you've had a dry spell of creative ideas, or you feel you're really stuck? You can't make a move, you are stuck with old ideas and you're unable to get out of the rut? Have you come across such situations where you felt absolutely stumped, no forward movement? It happened with me recently. A couple of weeks ago, I was nurturing these 3 ideas because my side hustle is I'm an author, I speak, I write, I create videos, and I write blogs. So creative ideas are important for me and they keep coming and I write them down. 2 weeks ago, it just stopped, dried up. And there were these 3 thoughts which were playing in my mind, 3 ideas which I was toying with. They were not taking shape, they were not coming into the being of, presenting themselves fully, and they were just there and no new ideas were coming. And I felt so stuck and I thought, how am I going to make progress on this? As I was walking one of the days, my early morning walk along the beach where I live, there's this beautiful beach, and I saw that they had started constructing a small building. They started, in the middle of it, they abandoned it, and it was just left like that. And it was taking that, shape of completely abandoned, nobody to take care of it. I said, what will happen now if this is abandoned and someone wants to come and change the design or change the shape or structure of this building? And if this is the only real estate that is available, what will the developer do? He may have to, break it down and start again. I walked further down, and then the thought about another conversation that I had with one of my friends came to me, and he said, Harry, you know what? You told me to download Botham, but I'm unable to do it because my phone's full up. The memory is full. There is no space. I cannot download Botham. I said, well, what can you do? Maybe you have to delete some of your apps or a app to replace it with the new app that you have to download. And that is the time I connected the dots. It was like, aha.
Oh my God!
Maybe in my mind, the space is limited. And because I am toying with these half-baked ideas, I'm not giving them form, my mind space is already occupied. What if I do something about what I'm nurturing in my mind and see what happens? So I came back, I did some deep work, I sat down and I said, let me get through this. So one of the ideas I discarded. I just said, I let this go, it's not its time. So that was gone. The other 2, I sat down and I brought them into shape. I brought them into form. They took birth, kind of. And I felt good about it. As soon as that was over, the next day, new ideas started flowing in. Not just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all of them almost fully formed. I was like, wow, this is just amazing. So, when you think about your mind space, the real estate is the space in your mind. Because what you build in your mind gets manifested outside. And if in your mind you have built these old thoughts, guilt, resentment, hatred, jealousy, or half-baked ideas which you just want to hold on to, not letting them go, your space is occupied. There is no new space to create, to develop new things. So for you to start developing new ideas, new things, bringing into form your great ideas, you need to empty the old mind space which is totally occupied by things which are unproductive, useless. So sit down and do 2 things. 1, for the old ideas, either discard them or give them some form or shape. Bring them to life. Once you do this, you would have created space for new ideas and your life to take wings and fly. All the best and see how it goes. If you need any help, give me a shout. Bye for now.